Welcome to week 10 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in the bear market. If you are new to the challenge, all I'm doing is taking $10,000, dividing it by 52 weeks. So every single week I am buying some crypto. I am accumulating, I'm buying the dips, I'm increasing my positions. That way when the bull run returns, I will have decent positions in some decent projects that could potentially blow up and make me a ton of money in the process. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly the projects that I have bought so far and the project that I am buying today. Let's go. All right, so now we are inside of the spreadsheet, and as you can see, this is the breakdown. We started out with $10,000, and every single week we are spending money, and right now we have $8,299.33 that we can spend. These are the coins that we have purchased so far. We got some Matic, some Pendle, some Cardano, some Hello, some Flash Stake, and some Polkadot. And every single week I'm tracking the entire progress, showing you guys what I'm paying for them and how much money I'm spending. And now we are on week number 10. So for week 10, I will be buying even more Pendle. I bought some of these tokens last week, but I want to buy even more. I believe this is a great project to hold for the long term. And since I bought it last week, it is already up and it is already making me a profit, so I want to buy even more. So when we go on CoinMarketCap, you will see that Pendle is currently trading at 30 cents. It is slightly down on the day. The market cap is just over 60 million. But if we take a look at the last 7 days, you will see that Pendle is trending higher and higher. Last time that we bought it was on this little dip right here, and we got in around 24 cents. Since then, it has been pumping and pumping pretty much every single day. Even with all the turmoil going on right now in the crypto space, with the fall of multiple banks and everyone screaming it is all over, Pendle continues to go higher and higher. Obviously, I believe in the Pendle token, and with such a small market cap of only 60 million, this project can easily do a 5x, a 10x, and possibly even more in the next bull run. But I love the utility even more, and since I bought the Pendle token, guess what I did? I staked the entire amount for 2 full years. So I will be holding the entire position that I bought the first time around for a very long time. And now I'll be buying even more, and the coins that I buy today, I will be staking them as well. Also, I transferred just over $3,000 worth of ApeCoin to the Pendle platform, and I have locked it in, and now it is earning me a awesome yield. So I'm buying the tokens because I believe they will go up in price and they will make me some money, but I'm also using the platform to earn even more money. As you can see, I have pulled up the Pendle site, and when we scroll down, you will see the discounts that this platform offers. But the one that I like the most is ApeCoin, simply because I have a position in multiple different platforms, so I try to take advantage. That way I can earn even more money. But when we go to the very bottom and we press dashboard, you will see that I have transferred over $3,265 worth of ApeCoin to the Pendle platform, and I have put it to work. And so far, it has earned me $5.14. And I have been only doing this for a couple of days. Hopefully by the time the next bull run returns, this $3,265 will be close to $5,000. Also, the pool does have a 105-day lockup period, but I do not plan on selling my ApeCoin anytime soon. And then when we go over to my Pendle dashboard, you will see the entire breakdown. I also used all of my Pendle to upvote my ApeCoin position to increase the rate. So in my opinion, that is also a win-win situation. But when we scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that I have locked up 809 Pendle that is currently worth $244.84. So we already made a decent profit on our Pendle position, but I'm not selling anytime soon. And as you can see, I did lock it up for 2 years, so it will unlock on March 5th, 2025. So now I will be taking another $200 and buying even more Pendle tokens. And as you can see, I have just purchased another 658 Pendle tokens that I'll be staking as well. And now we are back on the spreadsheet. Now we have $8,080.61 left. We bought Pendle at 30 cents. I spent $218 $1.72, slightly over my budget due to the Ethereum fees. And now my Pendle position went from 809 to 1467. Much better. So the whole purpose of this video is to show you guys that you can make even more money by utilizing the platforms, the systems that you are investing in. Personally, I like Pendle token and I believe it has a bright future, but the platform itself can make me even more money. So I'm definitely utilizing it. Also, every project that I invest in, it doesn't matter if it's Cardano, Polkadot, Pendle, Safe Haven, whatever the token or coin is, if it's stakeable, I am staking it. If I can provide liquidity, I am providing liquidity. I am taking the risk in order to earn the most profits in the long term. Also, I do not care if the crypto market goes down tomorrow or goes up. My vision is long term and I want those big profits. I do not care about $5, $10 here and there. I'm not day trading. I'm not leveraging anything. I'm simply buying and holding for the long term. That is my main goal. That is my focus right now. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.